about to show y'all the new clutch I got, and we won't install it because my boy is a fucking car god. So yeah, let me show you. Got this. It's the pressure plate and the alignment tool. That's the thing, and then the big old flywheel. Got this off eBay. XTD clutch. My man just got strobe lights up in here. So they gave me a cool little sticker too. Yep. They give me all this stuff. I won't need it, but I'll keep it for reference. I'll show y'all once the car is up in the air. My boy pulled up in the SR. Ooh, he wet. He wet. As you can see, the car is in the air. And my boy is going to work on this shit already. He give me that look like, bitch, get the fuck on my face while I get the strap. I don't know what he doing, but he doing something. So, yep.
That's cool.
The hardest task, we just lowered the car and pulled the whole exhaust out. Yeah, that was difficult because this one's stripped right here, so we couldn't like break it in pieces. So, yep, we just pulled the whole thing out, and now we're going back up. But hello, what the hell are you doing to my car? How do you get under there like that? I'm trying to understand. I don't get. I'm like, how do you get down there? Hello?
Alright, pull that shit out.
No, you said pull on this?
Yep, pull it out.
Okay, I pull.
Move this metal piece.
I pull and it does not do. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I got it.
Hey.
Okay, we're done right here. We took out the shifter. I don't know why my shifter is like rotated to the side like that. Okay, okay, goodbye.
When it gets to the sweet spot, dude.
It's time.
You gotta push forward.
The transmission is about to exit the vehicle.
Yeah, something like that. So what you're saying is lunch is on you now, Ken?
Dude. I don't know what he's doing. What the fuck are you doing?
Getting ready to like this transmission.
The fucking battle of O2.
Like this one, like, and then it's just gonna fall.
Do it like Alberto with Adam. He pulled the whole transmission out with nothing.
Alberto, that nigga Cuban, that nigga old. My fellow Hispanics.
Oh, yeah,
oh,
and there it is. That clutch is about to look like disgusting.
Oh my god. Why don't you strap this bitch down?
For fucking what?
For fucking what he says. I got two mijos right here. Go ahead. Oh. Bitch, you didn't balance this shit, man.
Oh.
Go ahead, go.
And there it is. It's out.
CDO.
It's out. That's a big
I don't think this shit
No, stop fucking around, don't hurt yourself. Help me though. Here, wheel it over there.
Lower it more.
I can't lower it. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3.
Ouch.
You come up. Gracias.
Donut. Sheesh.
Can we do this Titanic right now?
Oh, yeah, it's a dual mass, dude. Excetti.
It's not that bad.
Look at the fucking flywheel, dude. What do you mean?
It's fine. Oh, look, it's broken here.
It's not broken.
Oh, fuck, this bitch heavy as fuck. Holy fuck. Oh, God.
Look at that rear main seal. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, that's where I'm leaking oil from.
Yo, this bitch dumb heavy. That's a dual mass flywheel for you.
Isn't the rear main seal this?
Yes.
It's not there.
Oh, this.
Yeah, there's nothing there. I need some RTV.
In the back seat,
did on
need a new
TV.
RMS.
I need more.
You should have just changed it right now.
Bitch, I don't have money for it. Alright. We got the new flywheel in. A bunch more stuff to go. Ah!
I'm waiting for the bass drop, dude. Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe. What? You know they made it.
What are you doing? Ah! Yeah, he's just working on my car. Inside the engine.
Hey, this is actually comfortable.
You can just go to sleep like that on top of the DE. It'll keep you warm.
Just gotta get these top bell housing bolts.
It'll keep you real warm.
Oh yeah.
Guys, first startup. See what happens.